Anyway, this is part of the video I was trying to show you, and that's what I'm doing right now, trying to put this place together so I can do some work. The mill is on hold for the moment because the engine, which is sitting in there right now, I got a priority, which is taking care of this roof first before, so I can keep the rain out, and then I'll be able to to do other things. But anyway, I hope you like the video. It's not much, it's just doing the best I can with what I got. And but I got tired of working outside and repair things outside. I'm really sick of it, and not having the money to buy storage. It's a doozy, But anyway, so there he is. Well, I wanted to show you a little bit the progress that I've been doing with what I've been doing with the shop, and how I'm building it. So, all this is pallets, except for a couple of windows that I got here. I've been using pallets, and I have some tarps right now covering walls and covering the roof, and so pretty much that's what I've been doing. I built this table right here, all with pallets, and this is part of what I need to be working. And the mill, of course, right now it's on hold because I got to work on that motor right there next. But as I say before, I have a priority, which was about securing a little bit from the rain and the weather, so I kind of put all this together here, and it's not the fanciest thing in the world, but it's a thing that I'm gonna be able to work with. Of course, I have more to do. It's just happened to have a little accident in which I fell the ladder of this thing right here. About halfway, I just tripped and fell, and I'm kind of fell on my in my shoulder, and that left me without a wind. So, but I'm doing the videos right now and showing you guys a little bit what I've been doing, and like I said, it's not much. I did a little bit of the floor. I got some of the planks that I milled before, and I put them in the floor. I put pallets all over the floor, and covering this, whenever I can with what I can. And but anyway, that's what's going on with the shop right now, and this is the outside. Let me show you the outside. It's really something, there was nothing in here at all. And if you all remember, I started doing this pretty much without nothing. It was just, if you look at the first videos, there was nothing in here. It's just for logs and in my trailer, and so, and that's how I kind of build this whole thing. And then I got some pallets and some free pallets, and then I want to make a video about pallets too. I think it'll be interesting for some people to know what it's all about. But anyway, this is pretty much what I've been doing, and it's covered only with canvas right now, because to tell you the truth, I don't even know yet how I'm gonna cover it with. But I had the whole summer to think about that, and of course I'm thinking about doing it with plywood, but you know, plywood is not that cheap, so I'll see what I can do and what can I do it with. But anyway, this is what I've been doing. Like I said, and hope you like it, and keep following me. And like I said, it's not much, but it's something that some place that I can work away from the rain and the sun in the summer. It gets pretty hot around here, and I was working all the time with a little plastic table that you guys saw it before in some of my videos. So from there to this, it's a big progress, you know. So I'm gonna make a little bit more here in this area too. I'm gonna cover this area with the table, and because I have a derail press here that I'm going to use, and I also have a small bandsaw that, so you know, it's gonna be pretty good. Little by little it's getting there. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I think I'm going to talk to you about pallets and my experience with pallets. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.